All right, so welcome back. We're doing basically a sorting thing, but this one has a twist. All of the items in the array are strings instead of numbers, and they're unsorted. So, oh, okay, it says ascending order. Hmm. Okay, so we have many options. Can do selection, insertion sort, or bubble sort. Bubble sort is slower. Let's do a selection sort. Well, the first thing is we need to convert everything in the array into actual numbers. How does the output? Oh, the output, it does want everything to be a string. All right, no biggie. We're going to do it the really inefficient way, which is we're going to make a for loop to turn everything into a number, and then we're going to sort it, and then we'll do a for loop to turn everything back into a string. There'll be no leading zeros, total number, digits. Wait a second. I think this problem might be a lot harder. Python, how fast to convert num to string if 10 to the 6 digits? Takes 14 seconds. Okay. Let's see how fast this is then. For x in range, 0 lengths of unsorted, we're going to do two num dot append, and then unsorted with index of x. All right, and then we're going to do return to num. We're just going to run this. I just want to see if it's able to convert properly. Nice. Okay. All right, so we did the first for loop. Now we got to actually sort it. So I think selection sort is the one where it holds the smallest value. So new array equals for x in. Yeah, and then selection sort, you iterate at least once to find it, and then you somehow get rid of it from the array. All right, let's see how this works. So for x in range 1 inside the length, or inside, so for each thing in the array, we're going to find the minimum if no embarrassment in this. Whoa, why is the selection sort pseudocode so long? See bubble sort, maybe it's shorter. There we go. You know what? This is much more inefficient, but like, Compare adjacent elements. What about insertion? Are we gonna want to use this? The average length of insertion is nicer. Whatever. We'll use an insertion sort. Okay, so first we need to get the lengths. So L equals length unsorted for n. Why does it start at 1? Oh, they do I minus 1. Is there I minus 1 anywhere else? One position ahead. Well, let's get rid of this. Get rid of the I minus 1 and start at 0. Just gotta see if there's any other references of I. It's while. Okay, so I isn't referenced again. So we can do a for x in range 0 to n minus 1, because I originally was 1. So I think we can get rid of this minus 1 here. Key equals, I think key is the minimum, because I was trying to build an insertion sort. So, yeah. Oh, min is like a reserved keyword. Okay. Whatever, I'll call it key, like what they have here. Key equals a of I. Okay, so unsorted x j equals I. Okay. Do x equals y, haha. And then while. Let's figure out what they're doing here. So j equals I. I think they just want to be able to use this variable without like overriding I, right? Because if you change I, basically they just want to record the value of I once and then do stuff to it. Okay, so while it's greater than 0, while unsorted, I have a feeling this will break because we forgot to do like a +1 or -1 somewhere. Okay, I think, what does this return? I think you just return unsorted. Wow, what a mess. We're gonna debug that, don't worry. Which line? 37? Okay. Oh man. Okay. So the loop must start at x minus 1, not x. Okay, and that never got used. Where was n used? Oh, n is only used to define the range. Okay. So I guess we don't need that then. Okay, at least we're outputting now. Wow. Okay, something is wrong. There's one less item in the output. We don't need this comment. Oh, oops. We gotta use 2num. Let's try this now. Huh, that's interesting. I thought that'd fix it. Okay. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT why this is wrong, because I don't know. You're still comparing strings. 2num contains strings. Oh my, I never added the int. Holy cow. No wonder why it was able to run. Line 49. Is that the if blah 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 equals? And then this is str. X in range to num. Is it at least returning the right? Oh, right. It didn't even return. Okay, so we're going to convert it back to string now. Oh, wow. I'm very surprised it worked, but these are not very big numbers, right? When we actually submit the code, we might actually get a runtime error. Yep, runtime error. Not work on every case. You're violating the problem constraints. Need to do a bubble sort. Oh. Yeah, I know bubble sort is worse in practice. Use Python's built-in sort with a custom key.